Happy afternoon, everybody. It's your boy, Mr. Smash. Let's try it. We just cleaning out the fridge right now, so we ain't got to eat the hinges off this son of a bitch later. But I want to introduce to you today because, I'm making a lot of stuff from the ground up. If you like ketchup and mayo chup. I'm dead serious on that one. Yeah. See, he even wants some. Can't have none, buddy. But yeah, you use this for chip and dip, sandwiches, salads. I mean, you name it. I mean, I've used it with pretty much everything. I haven't had one in a while, so yeah, I just cracked the seal on this bad boy. But I don't know. I like to put a lot on mine. Get it all in there, but on both ends. And a little bit for the chips. But how y'all doing on this nice Sunday afternoon? Y'all having brunch or y'all on the mode I'm in? I was just thinking, when I was making my burger, was I really wasting time putting ketchup and mayo on it separate? Knowing mayo chup can survive. So I was really thinking, like, it had me going. Thought I was gonna, I was like, thinking I was gonna be making a song, like, that's not what's going on here. What about having it? Most condiments, probably not ideal for you, especially if you're counting calorie diet or on a strict regimen. Whether you're eating those South Beach diets, you on Jenny Craig, those goddamn deal of meal cards. I mean, I don't know. Whichever, the fasting, whatever there is out there, whatever floats your boat. But gotta have a little something. Something to brighten the day, huh? Yeah, a lot of eating, no talking, huh? I was thinking about making a Big Daddy burger. Like them $20 burgers, or the ones they charge like $20 at the bar with a bag of kettle corn chips and a beer or a pop. Artisan pretzel bun, top of the line hamburger, Applewood smoked bacon, over easy egg, Spanish greens, some black olives, and shit. Throw some mayo on it. Colby Jack cheese. Really, it could be a different any genre of cheese, but it's like one of my weaknesses. A lot of people don't realize, even though cheese is a food, it's a drug. People addicted to cheese. and it's mold. Cheese is mold, so a form of it. Yes, cheese is very addictive. Biochemically, like large amounts of chocolate, overrated. Suffice for now, but will it till then? Y'all let me know something. What is there y'all eating that I'm not? That's what I'd like to know. So I've got no problem. I'm always up for new stuff when it comes to food. As long as you're not going to try to give me no, what is that? Rutabaga or some weird stuff like that. Like, I like my vegetables, but I didn't even learn about that thing in school. I don't even think they knew what it was in school. I'm an asparagus man. I like asparagus, spinach. I like my greens. They say they're good for your eyesight. Onions and garlic. It's good for filtering the blood, and I totally love them. But yeah, I'd really like to know. I try to keep it well-rounded, but there's some stuff out there. I mean, I could really go crazy, start doing other stuff, but I really don't have the luxury. Just try to do what's right ahead of me. So, but anyway. Thanks for having lunch with me, y'all. You know, sometimes you just gotta whip something up. Something's already there. Get rid of them leftovers. Another one with your boy, Mr. Smash. I'm out.